So let's have a little look at the Oriental Bang Bang Marinade. They've done a brilliant job of wraps with this one. I mean, the colour, the flavour, everything about it's just absolutely spot on.
Yeah, it's new, it's magic. Bang bang.
Bang bang.
They've really hit the spot with this. It's bang on trend, and also they've got like a peanutty flavour without having the peanuts in because they're a serious allergen, and a nice warm spice afterwards. Really, really, done a great job with this.
Superb, and those belly bites were absolutely out of this world, weren't they?
Yeah, air fryer.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We just done them in the air fryer, about 16 minutes, and the magic marinade sort of tenderise as well as add flavour. So when they come out, we're all fighting for them because they were so tender, just melt in your mouth. Because belly pork can be a bit chewy at times, but they were fantastic.
Oh, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
And I mean, it did a similar thing with the beef in the stir fry
Yes.
as well. So soft, so beautiful. And
Yeah.
it takes on all that flavour.
Yeah.
And like you say, not having peanut in there, but delivering those peanutty flavours. It's
yeah.
incredible.
And what about this? You knocked up. That's
Oh,
a great.
yeah. Well
great
away. I
looking
mean, that
product.
ginger and spring onion stuff in the middle of there with the sausage meat, absolutely bang on.
Right. Was that the supreme one you used?
That's the supreme in there, yeah.
And then the black onion seeds?
Yeah, black onion seeds over the top just to set it off.
Yeah, it does. It looks well.
Really give it a really nice little finish.
The magic marinades are fantastic, for the butcher. You just prepare your meat, painted, coated on, maximum 10%, so it's economical in its usage and doesn't have to deliver on flavour. There's some real out there flavours as well as the the normal run of the mill.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I mean, to say coming up to barbecue season, all of the magic marinades, kebabs, chicken steaks, pork steaks, simple barbecue stuff that you can just get on with, get it sold, and you can make some really good profit. So the RAPS magic marinades do a brilliant job of sealing in all the moisture in your products, which means when your customer comes to cook it, it's juicy, it's tender, it's absolutely beautiful.
And don't forget, within the publication, we've got the QR codes, which we put in now, which, you put on your smartphone and it downloads all the recipes, recipe ideas. And best of all, I think, is they get the artwork and for free. So if they want to use that on the social media posts or sometimes on them TVs on there.
Yeah,
on the scales. They're always popular. And it's free for the butcher to use. Doesn't have to pay for it.
It takes a lot of effort out of the job as well.
Yeah, definitely.
So there we go. That's the Oriental Bang Bang Marinade, and it's new. It's magic.